In a car, if you're using your clutch as a parking brake, I think probably it's best to keep it in first gear. You know, for instance, if you're on a slope and you want to use your handbrake and your clutch. I'm on a slope here and I've got it in third gear, and I'm going to try and use third gear. So that's no use. Now I'm in first gear with the handbrake on. I'm going to take the handbrake off. And first gear's held it. It still moves a little bit, but then it steadies, stops. Now I'll try fifth gear. I've not tried this before. I think this is going to be a disaster. Yep, disaster. I've not tried reverse before, but I think that's going to work. Yeah, it did. Yeah, reverse worked as good as first gear. The reason I made the video is because the other night I was car camping on a slope, and if nothing held, you know, I'd been right over the edge. And it made me wonder about this because I'd always picked third gear. I just thought the higher up it would be the safer, but it's turned out really first gear it seems to be the safest, for me anyway. And it looks like reverse as well, so I'm going to try first again here, just to check. So that's first, it held. I'm going to try reverse. It's held. Yep, same sort of way as first, that little one go, then it held. But then if you go up, see, I'll go to fourth this time. I'm in fourth now. It's a disaster. So, yeah, stay down in one or reverse, but it looks like, I don't know if, of course, don't rely on me, you know, as your health, your last word on your own health, you know. Check AI or whatever and see, but it looks to me as if first gear, maybe even reverse, I'll need to check that up myself. First or reverse is probably the best. Keep it, you know, low, if they call them low, yeah, okay. Of course, use the handbrake as the main parking brake. I suppose keep first gear as the second for the combo. Here my handbrake's holding me in place on its own, but might as well use both, you know, use the clutch as an insurance policy as well. I wouldn't use clutch on my own, not on a steep slope.
For manual transmissions, uphill parking, engage first gear. If your car is facing uphill, and for some reason your parking brake fails, the car would have to roll forward quite a bit against the engine's compression in first gear before it could move significantly downhill. Downhill parking, engage reverse gear. Similarly, if you're parked facing downhill and the parking brake gives way, reverse gear will help prevent the car from rolling forward down the hill. Level ground, you can use either first or reverse gear. Important considerations for manuals. Don't rely solely on the gear, always use your parking brake firmly. The gear is an extra precaution. Wheel chocks, for very steep inclines, consider using wheel chocks for added safety. For automatic transmissions, always use park, P. Automatic transmissions have a park, pull, which is a mechanical locking mechanism that engages when you select P. This is specifically designed to prevent the wheels from turning. Engage the parking brake first. It's a good habit to engage your parking brake before putting the car into park. This helps to prevent the entire weight of the vehicle from resting solely on the relatively small parking pole, especially on hills. In summary, manual, first gear uphill, reverse gear downhill or level. Always use the parking brake too. Automatic, always use park, P, and engage the parking brake first. By using the appropriate gear in conjunction with your parking brake, you significantly reduce the risk of your vehicle rolling unexpectedly.